Phishing emails are one of the most common ways hackers steal your personal information. These scams trick you into revealing sensitive data like passwords, financial information, or even identity details. In this video, we'll show you how to recognize phishing emails and protect yourself from falling victim. What is a phishing email? A phishing email is a fraudulent message that pretends to be from a trusted source to steal your information. These emails often look legitimate, using logos, language, and sender names that resemble real companies. The goal is to trick you into clicking links, downloading attachments, or providing personal information. Phishing emails are one of the top causes of identity theft, financial loss, and data breaches worldwide. How to recognize a phishing email? Phishing emails can be sneaky, but there are key signs you can watch out for to spot them. 1. Generic greetings. Legitimate companies usually address you by name, but phishing emails often use generic terms like, "Dear customer." If the email doesn't include your name, be cautious. It's a sign it might not be authentic. 2. Urgent or threatening language. Phishing emails create a sense of urgency, claiming your account will be suspended or you'll lose access. This pressure is designed to make you act quickly without thinking or verifying the message's legitimacy. 3. Suspicious links. Phishing emails often include links that appear to lead to official websites, but actually redirect to fake pages. Hover over the link without clicking to see the actual URL. It may not match the company's real website. 4. Poor grammar and spelling. Professional emails are carefully proofread, but phishing emails often contain grammar or spelling mistakes. If the message seems unprofessional, it's another red flag that it might be fraudulent. 5. Unsolicited attachments. Phishing emails may include attachments claiming to be invoices, receipts, or other important documents. Opening these attachments can install malware on your device, giving hackers access to your data. How to protect yourself from phishing emails. Step 1. Verify the sender's email address. Always check the sender's email address carefully to ensure it's from a legitimate domain. For example, instead of support@paypal.com, a phishing email might use support@paypalsecurity.com. Step 2. Avoid clicking on links. If you receive an email asking you to click a link, go directly to the company's official website instead. Manually type the web address into your browser to ensure you're visiting the legitimate site. Step 3. Use two-factor authentication, 2FA. Enable 2FA on your accounts to add an extra layer of security, even if your login details are compromised. 2FA requires a second form of verification, like a code sent to your phone, making it harder for hackers to access your accounts. Step 4. Report suspicious emails. Forward phishing emails to the legitimate company's fraud team or report them to phishing reporting services. For example, forward phishing emails to report phishing at apwg.org to help combat these scams. Step 5. Keep your software updated. Ensure your operating system, antivirus software, and apps are up to date to protect against malware. Many phishing emails exploit vulnerabilities in outdated systems to install malicious software. Step 6. Use a VPN for added security. A VPN encrypts your internet connection, making it harder for hackers to intercept sensitive information. We recommend NordVPN for secure browsing. Learn more here. http://refer nordvpn.com. MJOMKHGNGUW. Step 7. Educate yourself and stay informed. Familiarize yourself with common phishing tactics and teach others to recognize and avoid these scams. Knowledge is your best defense against phishing emails and other cyber threats. Why do hackers use phishing emails? Phishing emails are effective because they exploit trust, urgency, and the complexity of online systems. Hackers target individuals and businesses alike, seeking valuable data they can sell or use for fraud. For businesses, phishing attacks can lead to financial losses, reputational damage, and data breaches. For individuals, these scams can result in stolen identities, drained bank accounts, and more. How Cyber AI pros can help. Phishing scams evolve constantly, but Cyber AI pros is here to keep you one step ahead. We offer tailored cybersecurity solutions to protect your devices, accounts, and personal information. Visit cyberAIpros.com to learn how we can help secure your digital life. Conclusion: stay vigilant against phishing threats. Phishing emails are a serious threat, but you can protect yourself by staying informed and proactive. Recognizing the signs of phishing, reporting suspicious emails, and using security tools are essential steps. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's work together to create a safer digital world. Stay vigilant and stay secure.